welcome to my channel. I would love to introduce you to this online tool that will help make your design process for your RC model aircraft builds easier. One of the biggest challenges when it comes to designing your RC aircraft is the wing design. It's quite time consuming. So even if you're an expert at CAD design, like maybe softwares like AutoCAD, Autodesk Fusion 360, Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks, etc. It's still quite time consuming because you need to design each part bit by bit in design. But with a software like this saves a whole lot of time. Can do this in few minutes. So if you've already made your design calculations and you already have your dimensions, you can just come here and visit this website, rcplanediy.com. You can watch this video here. This is like a tutorial video that will show you how to use the website. I'll take you through. So you come here, click on Start Design. It brings you here to this page. So we were going to be manipulating or changing these values here, and it's going to be affecting our 3D model. You can see here on the design plane, we already have a straight wing design, right? So we can come here, we can adjust the chord length, right? So do this now. You can see the chord length is going to make it wider. You see, we can go back and reduce it to something close to the default measurement, and you're going to watch in real time the values changes across the whole wing design. You can also look at our rib count. We have up to I think 10 ribs here. You can go here. Let's make it let's use 30. You can see in real time it changes the amount of ribs, right? You can see here. So here, this design we are working with, as you can see on the plane here, this is a 3D print, right? When you are done with this, you can export this model for 3D printing and you print your 3D printer straightforward. So if you come here to this option here, what is this option for? You can see this. So this what we are on, leading slide, trailing edges are inner diamond structure. So basically this is just the structure, the main support structure for your wing design. That's what we have here. So but you can choose here to select skin only, right? So this is the skin. So this is what the structure, right, that covers that support structure. So basically this is what you really want, but that support structure has to be there in order for it to retain structural integrity. So you can also come here, you can click on skin and inner diamond structure. So in this case, it's going to add both parts together, both the outer skin of the wing and the support structure. Is going to fuse both of them together, and you can download this, import into your 3D printer, and you have your print. All right. So good thing about the software is that it allows you not only to work here, you can come here, you can adjust the leading edge, right? By adjusting this value, you can make it smoother or sharper as it may apply to your design. Our leading edge, that's here, right? You can make it smoother or sharper depending on the aerodynamics you want. You can go to trailing edge, that's this other side, right? The trailing edge, you can adjust it, you can make it smoother or sharper. And you can see in real time as we are manipulating these values, we can see that it's affecting our design. You can come here, dihedral. So this is like the angle of your wing. I increase the angle to, let's say, 6. You can see anything here positive values, you have a dihedral, that means it's bent like upwards. If you reduce it, like say below 0, you have an anhedral. It's called anhedral, so your wing bends downwards. But for what we are working on, and for taking it back to default setting, you can also work on your wing thickness. You can come here and adjust it, right? You can make it smoother or sharper using this washout also. All right. So far, we've been working with our 3D printed wing. This also allows you not only to use design for 3D printing, You can also design using the planar ribs or spars. Here, let's select scratch ribs and spars. All right. Want to make your wing out of wood. This particular option will help you create the 3D model here. Just come here, right? Select scratch ribs and spars, right? You can come here and adjust all the other values that are necessary, like the length, the chord length, the wing length, rib count, and also the thickness. Right, so this thickness is going to make this thicker, right? You see it, it's adjusted the values. So this also is for your rectangular wing, right? So you can come here now and select tapered wing and span. So this is your tapered wing design. So your tapered wing, the root chord, right? That's this chord here, right? The length from here to here is larger than your tail chord. That's the distance from here to here. So let's say you're working with this kind of design, you can come here and select it. Also allows you to select 3D printing here, so you can also create a 3D printed model of your tapered wing. You're back to the normal design. We can also come back here. It also allows you to select for dihedral wings, right? We say dihedral, basically it's a wing that's at an angle upward. So the same thing, you can come here and change to 3D print, and you have your 3D printed version that you can download. Go back to the default design. Let's say we're working with this design we have here, but we decide to use our own airfoil. Let's say we don't use the default airfoil here that is being used for this design. You can come to this website here, right? You click here. This is your airfoil database, right? Airfoil database. So we can select any airfoil. It allows you to search and select whatever basic airfoil design that you want to use. So let's use any of the NACA. Let's use any of the NACA for airfoil designs. Let's select this one, this particular one. Let's say we want to use this one. So you can come here and download it in Sledge format, right? You click here and download it. After downloading that, we can go back to our website here. As you can see, it tells you the format here. This is the format. So you come, you choose here and upload the file. When you upload the file by selecting this, it's going to change the airfoil shape, right, to your uploaded airfoil shape. Then let's say we are done with this, you can just come here and click on download, right? Click any of this to download, right, or export in DXF or STL format. So these are the two general formats. This for 3D printing. You maybe want to import it into your slicer for 3D printing. You just come here and select one of them. So let's go with STL. STL is the general format for CAD softwares. So in this STL format, you can import it to any CAD software you want. Click on STL, say OK, right? Then wait for it to download. So the download will soon come up here on the bar. So wait, okay, network isn't that strong. So download soon. So click here, and you can see it loads our design for us. This is your 3D model of your design, so you can go ahead and use it for to produce your aircraft. So please like and subscribe to learn more about tools like this that will make your design workflow much easier. Thank you.